How to make all clips the same length in Capcut. So go ahead and open your Capcut application. You will be directed on the edit page of Capcut, and then here just tap on new project. Now here are your videos and photos that you might want to include in your final video. After selecting, click on the add button on the lower right corner of the screen. You will then be directed to the editing page, and this is where you can make all the clips same length in Capcut. So tap on your first clip, and as you can see, a white border will show. Now if you hold and slide on the white bar, either on the start or at the end of the clip, you will be able to cut the clip to your desired length. So for example, I will cut every clip to 3 seconds. By the way, you will see the length of the clips in the upper left corner of your selected clip. So just make sure that all of your clips are the same length. And unfortunately, there is no way to instantly make every single clip the same length in one click. But you can do that to photos, not clips. The only way to do this on CapCut Mobile is to do it manually. So after making every clip the same length, just click on export and you're done. So that is how to make all clips the same length in CapCut. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any questions, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.